Oh. Dude, what the?
I bought this electric bike a few years ago, and recently I decided I was sick and tired of using a bike lock. I needed something more advanced, robust, and efficient. I also was tired of living in fear, knowing that anyone could betray me at any moment and steal my prized possession. I came up with this wonderful proof of concept, a bicycle that can hold its own against a slew of criminals who would attempt to steal it. This bike would electrocute anyone who attempts to move it or mount it without permission. We're gonna add a security defense system, so it's really difficult to steal this bike. It'd be a shame if I was to leave it unattended and someone was to yoink it. A few months ago, I purchased a lot of these little taser things. They're actually really fun. You get a little spark, and that spark hurts a lot. So I think this would be good motivation if we could give instant negative feedback to anyone who's interested in yoinking the bike. We have to target all the spots that a person would try to grab the bike by.
How do you unlock it so that you don't get zapped?
Well, there would be a button.
On an off switch.
Yeah, somewhere. The positions that I think we should target is a saddle and one of the handlebars. So everybody agree with that? Do you mind, can you hold these two electrodes just about a safe distance apart?
What's a safe distance?
Just a centimeter or two.
That's safe.
No, that's not safe. Yeah, that's better.
Like that.
That's better. Like there, yeah.
Okay.
So this is what we're looking at. If anyone,
is he gonna shock me?
imagine getting shocked in the butt and in your hand at the same time by the.
Question: can we scrap this video idea?
You're gonna get tased. I'm sorry. I'm just the best. I have to tase you now. It's just the way it is. Yeah, just right here.
That isn't sus at all.
Well,
just
like I would so touch that. That's the most
like wiring.
That wow, that's
okay. I have a solution.
You don't even know if you can put it through that hole.
Okay, look. I know this looks bad.
I'm looking, Bert. I don't.
So it's not the prettiest, but it should work.
It looks like a dog chewed this up.
Can you hold this?
No.
Oh! Dude, what the? Okay, so it's ready, is what I'm hearing. Oh, okay. Next time.
That'd be next time.
Sure. I don't want to damage the wires.
Buddy.
I don't think it's gonna work.
You're the dumbest thing I've ever seen. As I said, when in doubt, damage the integrity of your bike.
It's not the integrity. You don't need this part to pedal it or...
As your handle falls off. Get it out.
Alright, Tanner, your turn.
We've got them in place. They actually don't look too bad. Like, you only notice them if you're looking for them.
Honestly, this looks really silly.
After poking holes in the bike, I had to actually build the thing that would turn on the thing that would stop the thing from being stolen. I decided to use a PIR sensor. PIR stands for Passive Infrared Sensor. I programmed the microcontroller to send a signal to a little magic box that will turn our taseys on and off when motion is detected. It is essentially just an automated accelerated justice system, since anyone attempting to use this bike without permission is automatically sentenced to the electric chair. The prototype appeared to be very promising, and I made sure that any attempt to steal this bicycle would be as difficult and as painful as possible. However, it still needs to be tested.